Alright, sorry there hasn't been one of these in a little while. It's just getting very busy at school at the moment. The first thing we're going to be looking at today is we're going to be looking at chords, and we're going to be looking at constructing, making chords. Now there's two main types of chords. These you should know about already. We've got major chords and minor chords. Okay, major chords, as you would have been told, are the happy sounding ones, and minor chords, the sad sounding ones. You get other chords, you get things called augmented chords and diminished chords, but don't worry about those just yet. We've got major chords and minor chords first of all. We're going to look at how you make a major and a minor chord. Okay, it's very simple. You need 3 notes, first of all. You need a root note, which is just your starting note, whichever note you pick. You need a third, which can be either major or minor. And you need a perfect fifth. Now I'm using interval terminology, interval terms, things like perfect fifth, major third, minor third. If you didn't watch the video back on intervals, the last time I said it a couple of weeks ago, you need to go back, you need to re-watch that video and remind yourself of all these terms, because I'm going to be using them, and if you don't know what they mean, it's going to get confusing for you. So re-watch the video on intervals, and then come back here if you're stuck on things like perfect fifths, major thirds, minor thirds. Okay, so constructing chords. 3 notes, a root, a third, and a perfect fifth. If I'm constructing a major chord, I need a major third. If I'm constructing a minor chord, I need a minor third. It's that simple. Okay, so we're going to start off with our root note. Root note is just whatever note starts off the chord. So let's say I wanted to do a C chord, then the note C is going to be the root note. So let's draw that in. Here's my C. Okay, but that's just one note, and a chord has got to have, as we said, 3 notes. Okay, so, well, at least 3 notes. So, there's my C. I want to do a C major chord. I'm going to write that down so I know what I need to do. C major. It's got to have a major third. Okay, now if you remember back to intervals a couple of weeks ago, there is a certain distance away from a note to make a major third. It is 2 tones. So C up to E is a major third because that's 2 tones away. So I then need to put on E, and E on that line next, that's what E is. Okay, it goes directly above the C and they're joined by the same beam because a chord is when they're played at the same time. And I also need a perfect fifth. Okay, and a perfect fifth is 3 tones and a semitone away. So that's a tone, a second tone, a third tone, and a semitone gets me up to G. Okay, that's it. That is constructing a major chord. If I wanted to do minor chord, same process. Start with my root note of C, because we're working at a C minor chord. There's my root note. I want a minor third, which is a tone and a semitone, so there's a tone and a semitone. So to E flat, and we've just got to have the little accidental symbol. And then a perfect fifth again, well, it's the same as last time. It's 3 tones and a semitone, so it's G. Okay, that's it. 3 notes joined by a beam. So if I wanted to work out an E major chord, well now, E is my root note. So I start on E. Okay, I'm going to draw a bar line so as to not confuse things. This is an E, there's a little natural symbol because that's E flat, so that's E. I will do E major, so I need 2 tones up, gets me to G sharp or A flat. Well, because it's a third, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, so it's going to be a G sharp, not an A flat. Okay, if it is A flat, I'd be putting it there, but that's not a third, that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, that's a 4th away, which I don't want. Okay, so it's going to be G sharp because that is a 1, 2, 3, third away. So there's a little sharp symbol. E, G sharp, and then 3 tones and a semitone up from E is there's a tone, second tone, third tone, B. Okay, and that is my E major chord. Okay, same process. Okay, you've got your root note, work out your third, whether it's major or minor, work out your perfect fifth. So E minor, same process, E, okay, and then I need tone and semitone, so it's going to be a G natural, not a G sharp. Let's put that in just because I've got G sharp there. E, G, and then the perfect fifth is the same with B. Okay, that is constructing chords. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to construct the following chords. I want you to construct F major. I want you to construct D major. I want you to construct G minor. I want you to construct A major. And finally, I want you to construct B minor. Okay, those are the 5 chords that I want you to work out. I want you to do what I did. Okay, start with the root note, which is going to be whichever note I put first of all. Okay, work out the third, whether it's major or whether it's minor. Work out the perfect fifth, and then draw it on a stave like I have done, and write underneath what chord it is. Okay, so F major, you would start on F. You draw that first of all. You'd then work out the third, you draw it on the stave, you'd work out the fifth, you draw it on the stave, and you draw a line connecting them all. Okay, that's what I want you to do first of all.